Hello, Boomers, it's Bertrand. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. Now, today we're talking about something that might surprise you. Grip strength. Yep, those hands that you use for everything from gardening to playing cards. Let's get them strong. Now, before starting any new exercise program, it's essential that you consult your doctor. The information provided in this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be used as medical advice. Now that we've gotten that disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Bertrand, I'm not a bodybuilder, but trust me, strong hands make huge differences in your day-to-day life. Everything from opening jars to carrying groceries become easier. And that's where this nifty kit comes into play. Now, today we're going to be talking about the IMENSEAS grip training kit. So let's take a look at what comes in this kit. It's packed with tools that will help you build stronger, healthier hands. Now, the first thing that you're going to get, a very nice carrying case. The first tool is the adjustable hand gripper. Now, this is designed to be gentle on your hands while providing effective resistance. Next, you're going to get your finger stretcher. This helps to maintain flexibility in your fingers, which is important for everyday tasks. Then we have our finger exerciser. Now this focuses on strengthening individual fingers. And we have our hand strengthening grip ring, a unique fun way to improve your grip. And then finally, we have my favorite, the stress release grip ball. Not only does it help relieve stress, but it can also improve hand dexterity. Now we're going to show you how to use some simple exercises can make a big difference in your daily life. Regular use can help to, first of all, improve your grip strength, to increase your hand flexibility, to reduce pain, to boost your confidence. All of these things can happen. And I encourage you to start slowly and then gradually build up with resistance. So let's break each one of these down and show you exactly how to use them. We're going to start with the adjustable hand gripper. Now this is the adjustable hand gripper, and you'll notice that you have some strengths right here that you can choose to adjust the resistance of that spring. And to use it, you simply take it and you squeeze it and you hold it and you squeeze it and you hold it after you have adjusted it to whatever level you think is beneficial for you as far as resistance is concerned. Now, the benefits of this is it improves overall grip strength. It increases hand muscle endurance, and it can help you with conditions like arthritis. Now, next up, we're going to look at the finger stretcher, how to use it. Now, it is pretty self-explanatory too. You simply take all of your fingers and you place them inside of the holes. After you get them firmly in the holes, like so, then you take your finger and you spread them apart like that, and you're going to feel it work all different kind of muscles there in your hand. You'll feel it instantly. Now, the benefit of this is it increases your finger flexibility, it reduces stiffness, and it can help prevent injuries. It's beneficial because it is important for activities like playing musical instruments, typing, or gardening. Next up, we're going to look at the finger exerciser and how to use it. And basically, you want to place your fingers firmly on each of those different modules there, and you simply press down and hold it, press down and hold it. You can do individual fingers, and you keep doing it until you start to feel it work those muscles in those fingers. Now, why is this beneficial? Because it really isolates and strengthens individual fingers, and it can help with finger rehabilitation and improve dexterity and enhance fine motor skills as well. Now let's talk about the hand strengthening grip ring and how to use it. Very simple. You take it and you squeeze the ring with your hand and you hold it like so. Now you can take it and you can work on individual fingers if you want to, like so. Now the benefits of this is it builds up strength in a unique way, engaging different muscle groups. It offers a fun and challenging way to improve your hand strength. And finally, my favorite. Now, the relief grip ball. How to use it? Again, very simple. You take the ball and repeatedly squeeze that ball. Squeeze it. You can stop and hold it and you'll feel it. You'll feel it go all the way down, working different muscles, not only in your hand, but in your wrist and your arm as well. Now, this is beneficial for so many reasons. First of all, it relieves stress, it improves hand circulation, and can even help with hand rehabilitation. So that would be certainly beneficial. This circulation can help also with joint health if you're having issues with that. Remember, before you start any new exercise routine, again, it's important to check with your doctor. And while this kit is great, it's not a miracle worker. Consistency is key. Using it regularly, and you will start to see a huge difference in hand strength. Strong hands can make a difference in your life. The Grip Strength Trainer Kit is a simple, effective way to improve your hand's health. So give it a try and let us know how it goes. Now, the great thing about this is it's only about maybe $18. A link for it will be in the description below, and I got this from Amazon. Now, if you want to help the channel out by supporting the channel, please feel free to get the product from that link. Normally, I come with you with some type of software or phone or tablet tip, but today we're dealing with a little health tip. If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comment section by saying I like it. Put it in there. Now, hopefully you'll see me in the next video. Now, if this don't work for you and you want to learn something about your phone, your tablets, why not check out one of these videos?